Hello, innovation team. This is Coach B. I hope everybody is doing well. I'm looking forward to reading your revised Tastykake report. You can do it. Yes, you can. Yes, you will, because you are the best students ever. A couple of comments as it relates to the revised report. The executive summary, although it's the first section in the report, it's the last section that you're going to write because it is a summary of the other sections. Some of the content in your report is coming from the textbook, so you need to have in-text citations as well as a bibliography. So the operational definitions are based on information that you obtained from the textbook. You need to give credit to the authors of the textbook in your bibliography, but also in the body of your report. You shouldn't have any trouble finding infographics about the snack food industry. You could Google for snack food statistics, snack food industry news. There's a lot of information out there. I would resist the temptation to use the snack food industry reports that I posted on Blackboard. Certainly there's a lot of interesting infographics in there, but you want to be able to demonstrate your information literacy. So I'm looking for you to demonstrate that you could find and use information. Some other key terms that you could search using Google includes, for example, Tastykake market share, Tastykake sales, Tastykake statistics, financial performance. Terms like this will result in useful facts, statistics, and infographics. On the Flower Foods Inc. website, you'll find the mission, the vision, the values, and the culture. Keep in mind also that the Tastykake brand is manufactured by the Tasty Baking Company. So it's okay to certainly use facts and statistics about the Tasty Baking Company. If you can't find specific facts and statistics about Tastykake, the brand, I mean, certainly you'll be able to find facts and statistics as it relates to their market share, but there may be financial data that is aggregated by brand into the annual report of the company. So there's a lot of information out there. In your appendix, you should include all your infographics, as well as images of the packaging and the logos. In your initial draft, although I asked specific questions about branding and asked you to visit the website to view the packaging, many did not include images of the packaging. You really should, for a consumer product brand, you need to include the packaging because that's how you made your assessment about their branding strategy. So you need to include an image of the packaging because that illustrates their branding strategy. Now, the other sections are just repackaged sections from your original draft. And I also do want you to expand more on the ethical dilemma. Some had very short responses. You really should have a detailed explanation. I did offer up as a hint to stimulate your thinking. What is the ethical dilemma associated with selling products that are high in fat, sugar, and calories? Is there an ethical dilemma as it relates to obesity and heart disease?